Hello, my friend. Welcome back. This is the podcast where you learn real English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Today's episode is very important. I'm going to show you how to remember English words and not forget them. Not tomorrow, not next week, but remember them for a long time. We will go step by step. You will hear real examples. You will repeat with me. So get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start with a simple truth. If you forget English words quickly, it is not because you are lazy. It is because your brain did not learn the word deeply. A word you see only one time is like a stranger. You meet them once, and you forget their face. But a word you hear, use, and connect becomes familiar. It becomes your friend, and friends are hard to forget. So the question is not, how many words should I learn? The real question is, how do I make words stay? Here's the first big idea. Never learn a word alone. Don't just read it once. Don't just write it on a long list. That does not help much. A word needs a home, and that home is a sentence. A real sentence. A sentence that feels like something you would say. Let me show you how this works. Let's take the word charge. Charge means to put power into your phone or device. Now, don't just say charge, charge, charge. That doesn't help your memory. Instead, say this with me. I need to charge my phone. Good. Now try a longer one. I need to charge my phone before I leave the house. Very good. One more. I couldn't call you. My phone wasn't charged. Nice. And now this one. Excuse me, is there a place to charge my phone here? Perfect. That is real English. That is how people actually speak. Now, let's try another word. The word is delay. Delay means something happens later than expected. Say this with me. There was a delay at the airport. Good. Another one. The train was delayed because of the snow. Nice. One more. Sorry for the delay. My meeting ran late. Excellent. Do you see what's happening? Each sentence gives the word a new life. Your brain is not remembering a dictionary definition. It's remembering situations. Yep, let's try another word. The word is borrow. Borrow means to take something and give it back later. Say it with me. Can I borrow your pen? Good. Now this one. I borrowed a book from the library. Great. One more. He borrowed my bike and didn't return it. Now your brain sees pictures. A pen, a library, a bike. That is memory. Let's do one more word. The word is messy. Messy means not clean or not organized. Say this sentence with me. My desk is messy. Good. Another one. Her hair looks messy today. Nice. One more. The kitchen was messy after the party. Great. Can you see it? The desk, the hair, the kitchen. When you see pictures in your mind, words stay longer. Now here's a small daily challenge for you. Every day, choose one word, not 10, just one. Make 3 sentences with it. Say them out loud. Use them in a message. Use them in a conversation. Repeat them in the morning. Repeat them in the evening. That is how a word becomes yours. Now, let me give you another powerful rule. If you want to remember words, you must use them quickly, within 24 hours. Why? Because if you don't use a word, your brain says, this is not important, and it deletes it. So remember this rule. Use it or lose it. Learn a word today. Use it today. Say it, write it, send it in a message, make it real. Now let's talk about something even deeper. If you want to remember words for life, you must make them personal. Now, let's go deeper. If you really want to remember English words, you must make them personal. A word must connect to your life, your memories, your feelings. When a word means something to you, your brain keeps it. Think about it like this. A word is like a photo. If it's a photo of a stranger, you forget it quickly. But if it's a photo of your family, you remember it forever. So let's turn words into something personal. Okay, let me show you how. The word is nervous. Nervous means feeling worried or afraid, usually before something important. Say this sentence with me. I felt nervous before my job interview. Good. Now stop for a moment. When was the last time you felt nervous? Maybe before an exam. Maybe before speaking English. Maybe before meeting someone new. Now say this sentence with me. I get nervous when I speak English. Good. That sentence belongs to you. Now the word nervous is not just English, it's your experience. One more. He was nervous before the big exam. Picture his face. Feel the moment. That's memory. Now let's try another word. The word is lonely. Lonely means feeling sad because you are alone. Say this sentence with me. She felt lonely in the new city. Good. Now make it personal. Say this. I sometimes feel lonely when no one is around. If that sentence is true for you, your brain understands the word deeply. One more. He moved away and felt very lonely. Words with emotion stay longer. The stronger the feeling, the stronger the memory. Now let me give you one of my favorite techniques. Visualize the word. That means create a picture in your mind. Don't just say the word. See it. See. Your brain loves pictures. You can remember a photo from years ago, but forget a sentence from 5 minutes ago. That's the power of visual memory. Let's try this together. The word is climb. Climb means to go up. Say this sentence with me. I want to climb that mountain. Good. Now stop. Close your eyes. Imagine a mountain. Imagine wearing boots, a backpack on your back. You are walking up, step by step. Can you see it? Now say this sentence again. I want to climb that mountain. Good. Now another one. We climbed to the top of the hill. Nice. One more. The child climbed the tree quickly, you see? You are not learning a word. You are watching a movie. That's why it stays. Oh, now here's a big tip. Don't learn random words. Random words are easy to forget. Instead, learn connected words. Words from the same topic. Words from the same story. Your brain loves groups. Let's do this together. Let's learn some words about weather. The first word is cloudy. Say it with me. It's cloudy today. Good. Now this one. The sky's full of clouds. It's cloudy today. Nice. The next word is breeze. A breeze is a light wind. Say this. There is a nice breeze this morning. Good. The next word is storm. A storm means strong wind, rain, and thunder. Say this. The storm last night was very loud. Great. Now let's make a short story. It was cloudy. The breeze stopped. Then a big storm came. Boom. Now those words are connected. They are not alone anymore. They are friends. You can do this with any topic. At the supermarket, at the airport, at home, at work. When words live in stories, they stay longer. Words alone are weak. Words together are strong. Now let's finish today's episode. You didn't just listen. You practiced. You repeated. You imagined. You connected. And that's how English memory works. Remember this. Learning English is not about memorizing lists. It's about using words, feeling words, and living with words. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep building your English one step at a time. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.